Clay & Bailey Manufacturing proudly introduces our game-changing addition to our above-ground storage tank equipment family. The GenXOPV combines precision engineering, premium materials, cost savings, and ease of use in one seamless solution. Clay & Bailey's GenXOPV prevents overfills by automatically halting fuel delivery at the exact level without tools, hardware, or adjustments in the field. To adjust the shutoff level, simply adjust the height of our patented float. Split the stretchable float halves apart, slide up or down to the desired shutoff point, and allow the halves to lock back into place. This cutting-edge component also works seamlessly with our telescoping drop tube. Simply set the tube and drop it into place to ensure the effective flow of fuel into the tank. No taping, no drilling, no two-man operations. This groundbreaking product provides a wide adjustment range up to 5.5 inches in 3/8 inch increments, allowing you to set the valve to 90%, 95%, or any other shutoff level with accuracy even for foaming fuels. To deliver even more efficiency, we designed the GenXOPV as a 2-inch valve, yet it delivers throughput comparable to 3-inch products, so you get superior performance at a lower cost. The GenXOPV is your 2-in-1 solution to prevent overfill and fuel up fast without the typical installation challenges, so you can quickly serve today's and tomorrow's critical energy needs. Take advantage of this industry disruptor from Clay & Bailey.